So as you've noticed, I've used this shirt from the previous vlog because I just finished that vlog earlier, and I've just started making a new vlog right now. So this is another day supposedly, but I'm still editing. Anyway, yep. One of the things that happened today, I just enrolled on a gym again, re-enrolled because I have a membership. I cut it. I was just busy and everything, but yeah, onwards to getting fit and everything. We'll try our best. But also, I've been using this lens here for my A7 IV for travel, and yeah, might use. We'll just wait a minute. So I just got so distracted and so dark. Just try to change some things. Okay, so I just got so distracted and was just loading. Was just trying to think of a lot of things, and then I wasn't really paying attention, and I was just trying to look for this, and it was just in the drawer in front of me. But anyway, back to what I was talking. Yeah. So I've been using this lens here for my A7C. I really love this lens. This is the cheap Samyang 18mm 2.8. So this is a wide lens. This is so good for the A7C, and guess what? The A7C too. It's gonna look good on you. But anyway, yeah, and I've been using that. But the thing is, for balance issues, I've been using the A7 IV for travel. I take photos with it. I do videos with it. I do vlogs with it, and yeah, that's one rugged A7 IV. But I'm trying to sell that one, get rid of that one, try to go light, and that's where the A7C comes in. Still trying to do the video regarding comparing those two, but that's another topic. Yeah, I've been using this one here for the A7 IV, and this is not a sponsored video. Just that you know, this is not a sponsored video. This is just me talking about this lens. So I've been loving this lens. This has been very good, and the thing is, 20 is so good. Like you can vlog with it, you can take landscape shots with it, you can do photos, and you can zoom it to 40. And it's a 2.8 lens, so it's a very good lens. But way back when I started doing videos like these, and I was using like the wide lens. Like for Canon, I was using the 10-18, which is an ultra wide lens. And then I started using the like 16mm and all those. And right now, I'm going back to my 17mm 2.8, my Tamron 17 2.8, the old school Tamron 17 2.8, which was so good then that I've neglected. Haven't been using, even on weddings. I do wedding photos, and I haven't been using this lens much. I felt it was like, eh. And it's a very good lens, because the thing is, when you try to zoom it, like I try to zoom it, and it doesn't. I can't show it to you, but it doesn't. The front of the lens doesn't go out, so it's just the same size as it is. And I kind of miss using it, so I'm using it right now on this vlog, this video. Oh, I keep on saying vlog. Vlog's like overrated, but for this video, and yeah, it seems like it's showing a lot of everything, and it's not bad. You know? Maybe we can get to see a lot of these lenses, but yeah, for travelers out there, again, this is not sponsored, just to make sure. You can use the 17-28 for traveling. I used to bring the 17-40 from Canon f4 for photos, a lot of travel photos, like travel photos and daily. I bring camera every day, and yeah, I just got the 17-28. But the thing is, 28 is not the same as 40. So when I got the 20-40, I was enjoying it, and I was like, oh, this is so good because I can go wide 20 and I can do 40. So it was like using the old Canon 17-40 f4. And later, I just realized that 20 is just not that wide for filming self, like narcissistic, not narcissistic, like being vain or something, like shooting myself, filming myself, cringing. By the way, just side note, I still cringe in my old videos and my new videos, so yeah, it's a lot of work and whatever. Anyway, yeah, so just that to let you know that, yeah, it's still, this Tamron 17-28 is still good for filming it oneself, and it's good for landscape. It's still a very good lens. The new 17-20, I mean 20-40 is also good. So you can just choose. If you want to go travel and bring only one lens, I prefer bringing this 20-40, because you can go 40, you can go 20. It's a 2.8. But if you're after wide landscapes and a lot of self-vlogging and bringing a camera in your hand, like this is how far it is when I'm using my hand, this is a good one. The 17 to 28. The Sony has the 16 to 35, which is so good, but it's so big. And for me, I always make sure that my camera's balanced and it's well balanced for what it is doing, and it should feel good in your hands. So using the 16 to 35 from Sony is just like too big for it, and it's not balance is not good. Anyway, I should stop blabbering. I keep on blabbering all the time. I'm work in progress. Anyway, this is a video for tomorrow, done today. Hopefully, see you again. It's been 4 minutes. Too much talking, Mick. Oh, just a comparison. This is 20 and this is 16. 20, 16. Okay, 20, 16. And let me check. I'm on, I don't know what standard stabilization. So if you're gonna go active, it's gonna go like deeper. Like, yeah, 20, 16. Okay, future me and editing this clip, I just heard that me in the audio. So I don't know if it's my microphone or it's just because my hard drives was beside my camera. Yeah.